Hello students, all the students who would be appearing for May 22 and November 22 CA final examination. This is an announcement for a 100% English batch. Students starting from 11th August, we are starting a regular batch which is known as All-Star Batch. All-Star Batch, 100% batch which should be for those students who want to learn the group 2 in English. So students, this would be an English batch. So far as a Hindi batch is concerned for May 22, November 22, it is already has begun. So that is already there, students. This is primarily for the English batch, students. 11th August, primarily we are starting this particular batch. Here students, the entire group 2 would be covered. Here if you see, the direct tax and the elective international taxation is going to be taken by me. So presently the elective which is being offered is international taxation. SCMP students would be taken by Devang Kothari sir. Mohammad Rafi sir, again a very renowned faculty, will be taking the indirect tax law. So therefore students, you will be covering your entire group 2 papers. As we all know students, this kind of examination now has become on a very tougher side in the recent past. Our batch will make an endeavor that we cover all the kind of a permutation combination so as to make you examination ready. So as to make you all examination ready. Students, here primarily the benefit of this particular lecture is what? You can take up the live lecture. If you can go with the live, you can go with the live. If you cannot go with the live, you can also go for an unlimited recording session. Unlimited recording session, students. For that very purpose, you can refer. Students, for that very purpose, you can all refer. Primarily, our recording sessions. So for the period for which you have taken the subscription, you can refer the lecture unlimited times. There are multiple educators for all the subjects, which is what this platform is all about. And doubt solving session students will be there. Mainly students, you can also ask this doubt in every lecture. So there is no hard and fast rule that you should ask the doubt only in that particular class. In every class, this doubt solving session can be done. And mock test paper students would be a part and parcel of this particular batch. Mock test students is equally very important for the reason being, of lately students have found that the paper is on the lengthier side. So if the paper is on the lengthier side, there need to be some sort of scenario wherein the students are in a position to really crack this paper. And therefore students, this mock test paper will really help them to really see through this particular tough journey of the lengthy particular paper. So therefore, to address that concern that the papers are getting very lengthy, that we have got this mock test series. Students, the performance speak for itself. Like, I have been privileged to be a mentor of some of the AIR 1, 2 and 3, Bishal, Esikaraj, Vaibhav and Mohammed, as well as the platform was privileged to serve all the remaining rank holders. So these are some of the performances that speak for itself of the kind of the quality of the educators which is there in this platform. Students, when you take the subscription, what is the position? Right now students, you can go with a subscription like 3+, minimum is a 3-month subscription that you can take. You can also go with a 6-month subscription, and also you can go with a 12-month subscription. Students, ideally you should go for 12-month subscription, but yes, there is one scheme which is going on. You say, sir, what is the scheme? Students, the scheme is like you take 3 months, you get extra 1 month. So it becomes 4 months effectively. Similarly, you take 6 months, you get extra 1 month. So it becomes 7 months effectively. My suggestion is that minimum you should take this particular month. Bare minimum is required this. So at least your 7 months is secured. You can do, and definitely in 7 months you will be covering your entire papers peacefully. At the same time students, if you can put this code, which code? CADS. The code, there is a referral code at the time of subscription. They will ask you a referral code. At that point of time, put this code CADS. primarily, you will get additional 10% discount. So if say it is 12,500, then 10% discount will be 1250 would be further discount. So effectively your cost would be around 11,000 or so, isn't it? So that is the benefit that you can have in this case. Students, between 6 months and 12 months, there is not much of difference in terms of, you can see this rate. 6 months and 12 months, not much of difference is there. So if you want, you can go ahead with the 12-month subscription also. So that is precisely the point that has been drawn upon. Students, now we also will have a textbook facility that we are going to come up with primarily. So that would be told to you in the lecture duration, how the textbook facilities can be availed. So during the course of the lecture, we will guide you about the textbook as well. So that is what will make this entire particular thing compact for all of you. As I told you, students, no faculty, we will leave and we will ensure that every nook and corner of the portion has been covered comprehensively. Students, one very important point which is there is that it is very important that when you learn direct tax, it is very important how you have learned direct tax for the very first time. How you have learned the direct tax for the very first time. If the very first time, not direct tax, any subject, because the very first time will decide your subsequent revision. So if your first time itself is not that perfect, you will not be in a position to really see through this particular paper carefully. Because your subsequent revision would also be based upon how you have learned it for the very first time. Subsequent revision will be based upon how you have learned it for the very first time. And that is the reason why a very sincere emphasis is made from our part to ensure that you understand everything the way it ought to be understood, not in a shortcut method, the way it ought to be understood. See, revision we do in a smart way, but the first time learning has to be done the way it ought to be learned, the way you should understand the provision. Are you getting this one? Then thereafter there would be a lot of revision sessions that will be there. That we will do it in a very smart way. The smart way to really tackle the revision, that would be something that will be guided to all of you in the due course. But this is how, students, it goes with it. So my best wishes to all of you. Students, the link of the batch, the link of this particular batch, I'm giving it in the description box. Primarily, you can just go with the link and accordingly you can enroll for the session. I hope that this point is well clear to all of you, students. I'll see you all, students, on this particular 11th August particular batch. All those who have got their juniors, their friends, please do let them know about this particular batch, and definitely they will be getting this batch at a very nominal rate. The subscription is very less amount, so that advantage let all the students can take it. Okay, students, do take care. Thank you very much.